First possession, big jump. First possession belongs to Casa Studio. Solisa, pass to Kuya. Uses the glass, no good rebound. Patrick naman. Paula with the ball. To Gomez, posting up. Gomez, hook shot, no good. Last touch on Yolanda, possession Casa Studio. Angelo Cuya with the ball, one-on-one with Monteveros. Solisa, to Darby Frost. Ali Ferreras, baseline jumper, no good, rebound. Rabia, McIntosh. Stolen by Ferreras, counter-stolen by McIntosh. Palma, long two, no good, rebound. Solisa. Solisa to the screen with Patrick. Pass stolen by Patrick Naman. Patrick bounce pass to Rabia. Stepping out of bounds. Turnover for Yolanda Holmes. Kuya with the ball. Pass to Solisa. Back to Kuya. Cross with the ball. Cross. Pass deflected. Turnover for Casa Studio. Back-to-back turnovers for Casa Studio. Monteveros with the ball. Monteveros takes. Gets it out to Rabia. Turnover to McIntosh. Stolen by Patrick. Patrick Laron. All the way to the record. 3 points for Patrick Laron. 2-0 is the score in favor of Casa Studio. Palma, one-on-one with Solisa. Palma to Monteveros. Monteveros uses the ball, stolen by Solisa. Solisa, pass to the screen, Kuya. Layup short, rebound by Monteveros. That is a foul. Foul on Casa Studio. Foul number 14. Ali Ferreras, first personal foul, first team foul. Patrick Naman with the ball. Palma, papunta kay Trey. Bang! 3 points for Gerald Palma. Solisa takes it out to Patrick, back to Solisa, 2-man game. Solisa to Patrick, long two, overshoots, rebound, Rabia McIntosh. Palma with ball, 1-on-1 with Noron. Palma, pass the basket, no good, rebound, Kuya. Kuya, pass the post, cross inside, takes, shot! What a move by Darby Frost. Wonderful move by Darby Frost. Monteveros. To Rabia McIntosh. McIntosh corner tray. No good. Rebound. Brian Gomez, 8 seconds to shoot. Monteveros steals. Jumper contested by Frost. Rebound by Gomez. Put back by Gomez. Pass a foul. And one. Who's foul left? Foul on number 26. Darby Frost. First personal foul on Darby Frost. Second team foul on Casa Studio. Chance for Brian Gomez for a 3-point play. Bonus free throws, no good. Rebound by Monteveros. Monteveros for try. Too strong. Rebound. Angelo Cuya. Cuya with the letter. 1-on-1 with Palma. Cuya as the basket, loses the ball. Stolen by Patrick Naman. Palma with the ball. Palma as the basket. No good, but there's a foul. Who's foul left? Foul number 19, Vin Solisa. That's first on Solisa, third team foul on Casa Studio. At the line, shooting 2 free throws is Gerald Palma, next sub-rep. First free throw is good for Palma. 2-point lead for Yolanda Holmes. One out of two for Palma, but rebound by McIntosh. First 14 for Yolanda. Palma spins. Shot, no good rebound. Ross to the ball. Ross, guarded by Moran. Stolen by Moran. But possession will remain with Casa Studio. 16 on the shot clock, 16 for Casa Studio. Sub. Timeout. Casa Studio. Timeout, Casa Studio. Okay, back to the ball game. 16 to shoot for Casa Studio. 3 minutes and 4 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Kuya will bring the ball. Pass deflected. Possession will stay with Casa Studio. Solisa, sideline inbound for Casa Studio. To Kuya. To Solisa, driving baseline. Solisa, floater, overshoots. Rebound. Kamiging with rebound. Gomez, forward pass, deflected, stolen by Kuya. Pass to Kiring. Pass. Recovered by Solisa. Inside pass. Stolen by Kamiging. Counter steal by Kiring. Lauron loses the ball. Stolen by Kamiging. Ontiveros, pass the basket. That's a foul! Foul on Casa Studio. Points is good for Ontiveros. Foul on number 19, Vin Solisa. That's 2 on Solisa. 14 fouls. Sabet. Solisa out. Puntanilla in for Casa Studio. Chance for Ian Ontiveros for a 3-point play. 4-point lead now for Yolanda Holmes. 3-point play completed by Ian Ontiveros. The lead is 5 for Yolanda Holmes. Kuya, guarded by Kamiging, gets it out to Fontanilla, guarded by Palma. Looking for a teammate, stolen by Ontiveros. Turnover is still in Casa Studio. Palma with a layup alone. 2 points for Gerald Palma. The lead is now 7 for Yolanda Holmes. Kuya, guarded by Kamiging. Kuya looking for a teammate. Pass to Lauron, highlighting jump shot by good. Rebound by Palma. Palma to Brian Gomez. Inside pass to Ontiveros on the line. Kuya with the ball. Kuya shot, but there's a foul. Foul on Yolanda Holmes. Number 23, Ian Ontiveros, first personal foul, first team foul. Kuya travels on the free throw line to shoot 2 free throws. Chance for Casa Studio to cut the lead. The lead is 9. First free throw is good for Angelo Guia. Carrying the lead to 8. That's the end of the first quarter. One more free throw for Angelo Guia. One, 2-on-2 for Angelo Guia. That's the end of the first quarter. Okay, let's go back to the ball game. This is the second quarter. Week 2, first game between Castle Studio and Yolanda Homes. Second quarter possession belongs to Castle Studio. Monteveros to Palma. Palma to Gerald Gomez. Baseline jumper short. Urban Frost. Kuya with the ball. Castle Studio down by 7. Kuya guarded by Kamiki. Pass to Bustos. Fake. Back to Kuya. 8 seconds to shoot. Kuya has the basket. Shot is good for Angelo Kuya. Cutting the lead to 5 for Castle Studio. Monteveros to Kamiki. Kamiki looking for a teammate. Inside pass. Turnover for Yolanda. Miscommunication between Kamiki and Gerald Gomez. Kuya with the ball. Castle Studio down by 5. Kuya looking for a teammate. Bustos with the ball to Cross. Cross inside. In trouble. Ball with over to Kirin. 8 seconds to shoot. 6 seconds to shoot. Kirin to Cameron. 2 seconds to shoot. Cross to play. Cross to beat the buzzer. Monteveros to Palma. The lead is 2. Palma has the basket. Shot. No good, but there's a foul. Foul on Castle Studio. Blocking foul on Castle Studio. Foul before the shot. Foul on number 7. Blocking foul. Foul before the shot. Baseline inbound. 15 to shoot for Yolanda Homes. Foul before the shot. Monteveros to Kamiki. Kamiki to Gerald Gomez. 10 seconds to shoot. Gerald. At the basket blocked by Frost. Rebound by Cameron. Cameron with the ball. Pass to Kuya. Kuya. Counter. No good. Rebound. Bustos. Edwin Bustos to Kuya. All alone for Trey. No good. Rebound. Gerald Gomez. Palma with the ball. Palma 1-1 with Bustos. Sabrep. Kiring out. Pereras in. Kuya out. Zolisa in. Sub for Yolanda. Yolanda sub. Palma number 6. Yolanda. Warning on Yolanda Holmes for delaying the game. Sabrep sub. Ontiveros out. Macintosh in. Boys, report to the table, please. For substitution, please report to the table. Table official. Solisa, 100 Kaligi. Solisa. Pereras to Trey, short. Rebound Palma. Palma with the ball. Palma, guarded by Cameron. Palma inside pass. Kaligi, Pereras to Solisa, to Frost. Frost steals. Shot. Player is good. Kaligi stop the ball. What a move by Palma is the ball. Palma. Jumper. Uses the glass. No good. Rebound by Busquets. To Solisa. Solisa attacks the basket. Kicks it out to Pereras. Alone. Baseline jumper. Overshoots. Rebound. Jenal Gomez. To Palma. Palma. To Macintosh. Counter no good. Rebound Frost. Pereras with the ball. To Solisa. Solisa. Pass deflected. Possession will stay with Cassius Julio. Sabrep. Kamigi now. Brian Gomez in, 17 to shoot for Casas Studio. 5 minutes and 21 in the second quarter. Pereras for 3, no good. Rebound, Nofuente. Nofuente to Jenal Gomez. 4-point lead for Yolanda. Brian Gomez steals with the shot. Layup is good for Brian Gomez. What a save by Brian Gomez. The lead is 6. Solisa, behind the point of Pereras. Jumper in and out. Rebound, Brian Gomez. Palma with the ball. What is the Cameron? Palma, drop pass to Gomez. Gomez, fakes, kicks it out to Macintosh. Short. Rebound, but there's a foul. Push ball back. Sabrep, sub. Push ball back. Foul number 1, Jenal Gomez on Yolanda Holmes. First personal foul on Jenal Gomez. First team foul on Yolanda Holmes. Lauron to Solisa. Solisa, pass deflected, stolen by Palma. Palma, layup. Layup is good for Jenal Palma. The lead is now 8. 3 minutes and 52 in the second quarter. Lauron to Talibia. Fade away jumper, blocked by Gomez. Rebound Kiring, fakes. Shot by Kiring. Now good, rebound, Jenal Gomez. Jenal to Palma. Palma, stop, pops for 3, yes sir! Malinis double fingers now for Yolanda at 11. Solisa, split by Lauron. Solisa to Montanilla. Montanilla, blocked by Nofuente. Solisa, not to the foul. Foul is good, and 1. Push foul back. Sabrep, sub. Foul number 77, Sherwin Nofuente. First personal foul, second team foul. Bustos out, Kuya in for Casas Stadium. Chance for Vin Solisa for 3-point play. Bonus with Rice no good. Last touch on Casas Stadium. Possession Yolanda Holmes. Patrick Lauron with the ball. 2 minutes and 15 in the second quarter. 9-point lead for Yolanda Holmes. Kuya to Patrick. Corner three for Patrick. In and out. Rebound Brian Gomez. Patrick naman na po. Patrick to the Puente. Noman na po. 10 seconds to shoot. Noman, driving baseline. Kicks it out to Arabia. Top of the paint tray. Bang! 3 points for Arabia Mavericks. The lead is 12 for Yolanda. Kuya, one on with Janal. To Fontanilla. Fontanilla to Patrick. Patrick shot. But was a foul? No good, but was a foul. Foul on Yolanda Holmes. Number 77, Sherwin Fuente. That's 2 on Fuente. 13 foul on Yolanda. Patrick Lauron travels to the charity stripes for 2 free throws. First one is good for Patrick Lauron. Patrick the lead to 11 for Casa Studio. One out of 2 for Patrick, rebound by Fuente. Last 40 seconds of the game clock, 20 seconds on the shot clock. Montanilla, inside pass to Janal Gomez. Takes, but there's a foul. Foul on Casa Studio. Number 95, Julius Karim, first personal foul, 17 foul. 2 shots coming up for Janal Gomez. First one is good for Janal Gomez. Giving Yolanda Holmes a 12-point lead. That's the end of the first half. Two out of 2 for Janal Gomez. That's the end of the first half. Official score 29 for Yolanda Holmes, 16 for Casa Studio. Okay, this is the third quarter. Third quarter possession belongs to Casa Studio. Turnover for Casa Studio, following with Padua. Fuente Venos, overshoots, rebound, Tavares. Kuya with the ball. Kuya inside pass to Frost. Frost to the rim. Shot is good for Larry Frost. Monteveros to Patrick Laron for training a good rebound. Monteveros. Taveras is at the cross. William is good for Monteveros. Forcing the run for Casas Studio. Palma de nuevo. Palma to Macintosh. Back to Palma. Macintosh for Trey. Bang! 3 points for Ranger Macintosh. Kuya, one-on-one in the middle. Carreras. Carreras to Patrick. Patrick, the basket, shot. No good, but there's a foul. Foul on Yolanda Holtz, number 12. First personal foul on Macintosh. First team foul on Yolanda. Patrick Laron at the charge of stripes to shoot 2 free throws. First one is good for Patrick. Patrick to 11 for Casas Studio. The 2 out of 2 for Patrick Laron. Running the lead 10 for Casas Studio. Palma. Palma loses the ball. Kicks it up to Macintosh for 3. Yes, sir! Back to back. Sorry, it's only 2 points. Just 2 points for Macintosh. Turnover for Yolanda. Turnover for Casas Studio. Possession will remain with Yolanda with 14 on the shot clock. Gomez with the ball. Gomez kicks it out to Palma for Trey. Bang! It's raining threes for Yolanda home. Taveras contested by Yohan. Rebound by Gomez. To Palma. Palma attacks the basket. No good, but there's a foul. Foul on Casas Studio. Sabrep. Foul number 7 on White. Cameron. Second personal foul on Cameron. First team foul on Casas Studio. Cameron out. Bustos in for Casas Studio. At the line is Gerald Palma to shoot 2 free throws. Next Sabrep. First one is no good for Palma. One out of 2, Sabret for Gerald Palma. Sabret, number 12 out. Macintosh out, Nofente in. Patrick Naman out, Ryan Panigin in for Yolanda. 5 minutes and 50 remaining in the third quarter. 16-point lead for Yolanda home. Kuya. Guarded by Kamigi. 8 seconds to shoot. To Pereira. Back to Kuya. 5 seconds to shoot. Pereira, 2 seconds to shoot. Turnover for Casas Studio. May Palma, lefty layup, no good. Rebound, Patrick Laron, stolen by Ryan Kamigi to Palma. Drop pass to Kamigi. Layup, no good. Rebound, Palma. Palma to block short. Last touch on Yolanda. Sabrep, sub. Pereira's out. Solisa in. Sorry miss for Yolanda. Solisa to Kuya. Kuya, jumper, no good, but there's a foul. Pushing foul on Yolanda. Number 23, pushing foul number 23 on Teveros. That's 3. Third personal foul, second team foul on Yolanda Holmes. Kuya at the line and shoot 2 free throws. First one is good for Angelo Kuya, carrying the lead to 15 for Casas Kuya. Round 2 for Angelo Kuya, the lead is 14. Ryan Kamiting with the ball. Back to Palma, 14 to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds to shoot. Ontiveros gives it out to Camigi. Pass is too strong. Turnover for Yolanda Holmes. Good defense there for Casas Studio. Busbus with the ball. Busbus jumper. No good, but there's a foul. Over the back foul for Casas Studio. Foul number 24, Edwin Busbus for Casas Studio. First personal foul, 17th foul on Casas Studio. 2 minutes and 57 on the third quarter. Ontiveros to Brian Gomez posting up. 15 to shoot. Gomez loses the ball, recovers it. Pass inside to Ryan Camigi. Ontiveros for Trey. No good. Rebound by Kuya. Kuya. Forward pass deflected. Stolen by Ontiveros. What a defense for Yolanda Holmes. Palma. Double by Solisa. Palma. Deep three. Short. Rebound. Ontiveros. Put back by Ontiveros. Kaligi 16. Kuya, sampai ke pos. Pass deflected, stolen by Sabret. Sabret. Possession will stay with Yolanda Holmes. Casas Studio, sorry. Brian Gomez out. General Gomez in. Busbus out. And coming in. Baseline inbound for Casas Studio. Solisa with the ball. Solisa. Highlighting floater, no good. Rebound on the bench. Ontiveros with the ball. Ontiveros. Pass to Nofuente. Nofuente in trouble. But there's a foul. Foul number 26. Darby Frost. That's second on Darby Frost. Third team foul on Casas Studio. Sabret. 14 to shoot for Yolanda. General Gomez with the ball. Ontiveros, 10 seconds to shoot. Ontiveros. Pass to Nofuente. Traveling violation, it's a walk. Turnover for Yolanda. 54 seconds on the game clock. 23 on the shot clock. Kuya, kasatap in Trey. No good. Rebound, no man. Because of foul. Foul on Casas Studio. Number 3, Angela Pantanilla. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Patrick Roman with the ball. For the Bells. The lead is 16 for Yolanda. Ontiveros. The pass is stolen by Pantanilla. Forward pass to Guerreras. Guerreras na yan. The short rebound by General Gomez. General to Ryan. 2 seconds to shoot. Ryan to the pass. That's the end of the third quarter. Official score. 40 for Yolanda Holmes. 24 for Casas Studio. Fourth quarter possession belongs to Yolanda Home. 16-point lead for Yolanda. This is the last and final quarter. This is week 2. First game between Yolanda and Casa Studio. Palma, that's the basket. Three and it's good for Jamal Palma. Lead is now 18. Sulisa, turning up the play for Casa Studio. Looking for a teammate to Patrick. Patrick, inside pass to Frost, there's a foul. Foul on Yolanda Holmes. Number 77, Shervin LaFuente. Third personal foul. Turnover for Casa Studio. Foul number 19, Vince Solisa. Third personal foul. First team foul on Casa Studio. Palma, one-on-one with Solisa. Screen by Puente. Pass to Puente. Hey! Shot over, but there's a foul. Foul on White, Casa Studio. Foul number 26, Darby Frost. The third on Darby Frost. Second team foul on Casa Studio. Chance for Shervin LaFuente to increase the lead further for Yolanda Holmes. First one for LaFuente goes in. The lead is 19 now for Yolanda Holmes. Two out of two for Shervin LaFuente. The lead is now 20 for Yolanda. Kuya with the ball, then they cross to Solisa. Solisa looking for a teammate to Patrick. Patrick, back to Solisa, 7 seconds to shoot. Kuya, ang jumper, no good. Last touch on Yolanda, possession will stay with Casa Studio. 13 in the shot clock, 13 to shoot. Cross to Kuya. Led by Bolivia. Kuya to Cross, three at the third for Darby Cross. The lead is down to 18. Patrick Noel, he got in trouble. Pass to Arabia. McIntosh safely crosses the upward line. Pass to Noman. 8 seconds to shoot. 6 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Palma, 2 seconds. There's a foul. Foul on Casa Studio. Foul on number 19, Vince Solisa. That's 4 on Solisa. 1 for foul out. Third team foul on Casa Studio. At the line, the shooting free throws is Gerald Palma. First one in out for Palma. 6 minutes and 22 in the final quarter. Second game, Pete Derby, Salvino Care versus KFS, Balikbayan Bucks. 0 out of 2 for Palma, rebound Frost. The lead is 16. Turnover for Casa Studio, followed by Patrick naman. Palma challenges the lead as a Frost, no good. Good pass, very good. Patrick naman, sorry. Sabret, Jerry. Makin pa siya dapat dito. LaFuente out, General Gomez in. Brian Gomez in, Kamiging out. Kuya, Lauter. Lauter is good for Angelo Kuya. Big offense to Casa Studio. 5 minutes and 24 in the last quarter. Palma, trouble. Pass to Gomez. Gomez, looking for a teammate. Traveling violation committed by Gomez. Turnover for Yolanda. Good defense for Casa Studio. 5 minutes exactly remaining in the last quarter. Kuya, ganun tayo naman. Ball recovered by Patrick. Patrick, floater. No good. Rebound. Possession, Yolanda home. 18-point lead for Yolanda. 4 minutes and 38 in the last quarter. Magnus, good ball. Ito sa foul. Foul on Casa Studio. Number 4, Patrick Loron. That's first on Patrick. Warning for penalty. Casa Studio, warning for penalty. Palma with the ball. Guarded by Sulisa. Man-to-man defense implemented by Casa Studio. Palma. Sizing up the defense. 9 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds to shoot. Palma. Recover the ball. Traveling violation committed by Palma. Turnover for Yolanda home. 3 minutes and 53 in the last quarter. Still an 18-point lead for Yolanda. Ferreras saves. Pass to Frost. Ferreras. Jumper is good for Ferreras. The lead is 16. Magnus to Zinod Gomez. 3 minutes and 30 seconds in the last quarter. Genal to Brian. 8 seconds to shoot. Paul. 5 seconds to shoot. Radio for Trey. No good. Genal Gomez. Fresh 14 for Yolanda. Numan for Gomez. Posting up. Gomez. Hook shot. No good. Rebound by Ferreras. Ferreras to Patrick with the numbers. To Kuya. Shot. Shot is good. There's a foul. Foul on Yolanda Holmes. Sabrat. Foul number 6. Yolanda Holmes. Patrick Numan. That's first on the man. Second team foul on Yolanda. Sulisa out. Heading in. Chance for Angelo Kuya to cut down the lead. The lead is 14. Now good on the bonus free throw, rebound by Karim. Fresh 14 for Casa Studio. Kuya to Fontanilla, elbow jumper. No good. Rebound, Gomez. Palma against Fontanilla. Layup is good for Gerald Palma. The lead is 16. Ross, drop pass to Kuya. Blocked by Gomez. Rebound by Frost. Frost in trouble. Kicks it out to Ferreras. Top of the fence way. Bang! Timeout! Yolanda home. The lead is cut down to 13. 2 minutes and 15 remaining in the last quarter. It's a score 48. Yolanda 35 for Casa Studio. Okay, back to the ball game. 2 minutes and 15 in the last quarter. The lead is cut down to 13 for Casa Studio. 13-point lead for Yolanda Home.
Wala pang 2 minutes. 2 minutes of course we have to. So inbound will be there.
We're not approaching the 2 minutes yet. Foul. Bali tayo sa linya. Ontiveros. Ontiveros sa foul. Last 2 minutes. Foul loses the ball. Tulong kay Botalia. Carreras, forward pass to Steven Cuya. Layup is good. The lead is 11. 1 minute and 48 in the last quarter. Gomez Ontiveros. Ontiveros in trouble. Layup for a good rebound by Kirin. Kirin. With Montanilla. Loses the ball. Stolen by Naman. Brian to Genal. Genal. Fade away jumper. No good. Rebound by Palma. Shot is good for Palma. The lead is back to 13. Montanilla to Cuya. There's a foul. Touchdown is good. There's a foul. Foul on Yolanda Home. Number 6, Patrick Roman. That's second personal foul on Roman. Third team foul on Yolanda Home. The lead is down to 11. Chance for Cuya to cut the lead to 10. Lane violation committed by. So 1 more free throw for Cuya. Too soon. Play a little bit early. So 1 more free throw for Cuya. One is free throw is good for Cuya. The lead is 10. Ontiveros to the ball. Ontiveros to Palma. 14 to shoot. Palma loses the ball. Stolen by Cuya. That was a foul. Oh, sorry, that's the call left. Stepping out of bounds. So possession will stay with Cuya. Oh, sorry, with Palma. 8 to shoot. 8 to shoot for Yolanda. 7 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Palma with a deep 3. No good. Rebound by Gomez. Fresh routine for Yolanda. Gomez. Pass to Palma. Palma. Let it fly for 3. Yes, sir. The lead is 13. Montanilla loses the ball. Possession will stay with Casa Studio. Sorry. Montanilla to Cuya. Cuya will stay up is good. Cuya forward pass to Naman. Naman attacks the basket. Forward. Rebound by Gomez. Put back by Gomez is good. The lead is still 13. Frost. Layup is good. Jenan Gomez to Brian. Brian. In. Shot. Basket is good. Plus a foul. Foul number 3. Alan Fontanilla. Second personal foul. Penalty. Chance for a 3-point play for Brian Gomez. Bonus free throw is no good. Rebound by Frost. Shot clock is off. Pereras for Trey. Short rebound. Palma. 3 seconds. Palma with a deep hitting over. That's the end of the first game. Yolanda Holmes prevails over Casa Studio with a score. 57 for Yolanda Holmes, 44 for Casa Studio. Good game, guys. Second game, is ready. Salvio Care versus KFS Flying Blacks. Second game. Saudi Player versus KFS Balikbayan Ducks. First five for both teams. Please proceed to the center court. Okay, first five, please, for both teams. First five for Saudi Player, number 6, Richard Esgana. Number 19, Mark Santos. Number 7, Earl Gatgula. Number 3, Raymond Gordon. And number 10, Josh Tan for KFS Balikbayan Ducks. Number 12, Mark Lapini. Number 7, Jason Aquino. Number 11, Justin Derwick. Number 2, Robin Gautam, and number 18, Christoph Cabral.
Ready?
Hey, good luck guys. This is second game, week 2, between Saudi and Player. Okay. First possession belongs to Saudi Player. Santos uses the last 2 balls for Mark Santos. Shot by Derrick, a good rebound by Santos. Gatgula touches the basket, no good. Rebound by Aquino. Loses the ball for Santos. Gives it out to Gatgula. Tan with a runner. Uses the last 2 balls for Josh Tan. Forcing a start for Saudi Player. Apili spins. Drop pass stolen by Gatgula. Forward pass to Steven Tan. Layup no good, rebound by Santos. Put up no good, rebound by Esguerra. Put up by Esguerra is good. 6-0 start for Saudi Player. Cabral, spring by Apili. Gives it out to Gautam. Cabral to Gautam. Spring by Cabral. Pass to Derrick. 5 seconds to shoot.
You lock the door there.
3 seconds violation committed by KFS. Too long inside the shooting lane. Turnover for KFS. Time with the ball. 6-0 in favor of Saudi Arabia.
Start na
Esguerra.
dito.
Guarded by Papili.
Not the big one.
Pass to Gordon.
Not the big one.
Kicks it out to Tan. Tan to Esguerra. 5 seconds to shoot. Tan with a runner. Battered by Aquino. Doesn't matter. 2 points for Josh Tan. It's 8-0. It's 8-0 in favor of Saudi Arabia. Gautam driving baseline. Drop pass to Derrick. Elbow jumper. Too strong. Rebound by Esguerra. Esguerra to Gatgula. Tan with the ball to Santos. Santos to Tan. 9 seconds to shoot. Esguerra for 3. Now good rebound by Derrick. Derrick with the ball. Derrick attacks the basket. No good. Rebound by Esguerra. Sorry, missed by Derrick. Turnover by Esguerra. Stop stolen by Gautam. To Aquino. Cabral fakes. Moves closer. Drop pass to Aquino. Shot no good. Rebound by Esguerra. Esguerra. Pass to Tan. To Santos. Santos for 3. Bang! 11-2. Timeout. KFS Balikbayan Ducks. 11-2 is the score in favor of Saudi Arabia.
No, not the court. Just the hallway here. Going to the lobby. Marami kasi naghintay doon, nakasara yung pinto.
Hey, let's go back to the ball game. 6 minutes and 2 seconds remaining. 11-0 start for Salvio Care. Down big is KFS. Kyle Cabral, tumutap. Driving baseline. Higher and counter na good. Rebound by Gula. Gagdula to Tan. Gagdula for Trey. Short. Rebound by Santos. Put back no good. Rebound by Gordon. Put back still no good. Rebound by Gordon. Put back still no good. But there's a foul. Who's foul that? Foul number 0, Kyle Cabral. Double foul. Hang on, Red. Who's foul? Double 0 or just the 0? Kyle Cabral. First personal foul, first team foul. Fresh 14 for Salvio Care. Esquera to the Santos. Miscommunication between Cristo. Fakes. Moves closer. Kicks it out to Cabral. To Botang. Botang. Inside pass. Aquino in trouble. Aquino to Derrick. Turnover for KFS. Sabret. Substitution red for KFS. Botang out. Malit in. Aquino out. Dook in. Steal as the 11-0 score in favor of Salvio Care. Tan to Gagdula. Gagdula to Tan. Esquera, driving baseline. Spin. Kicks it out to Tan. 6 seconds to shoot. Gagdula. Runner. No good. Rebound. Gustav Cabral. Cabral in trouble. Pass to Derrick. Tumalit. Cabral. Jumper, no good. Rebound by Esquera. To Tan. Tan. Hang time. 2 points for Boston. The lead is 13. 13-0 start. Rough start for KFS. Tan. To Cristo. Go up with the ball. Reverse layup. Another G. Sabret. Possession. Ibarra to the ball. Esquera to Vivares. Inahot to the ball. Pass to Vivares. Vivares. Pass to Santos. Santos spin. Jumper. In and out. Rebound. Last touch by Salvio Care. Possession. KFS. Rest of the ball. Derrick balik dari Esquera. Kyle Cabral. Snap pass. Block. Charles Derrick. Finally. KFS is on the board now. But the lead is still 11. Esquera, hounded by Cabral. Three out. Adrian in trouble. Loses the ball. Stolen by Cabral. Cabral to Bali. Laia Lazar. Finally step down the line for KFS. Esquera to Gordon. Gordon inside pass, deflected, stolen by Malik. Forward pass to the shooting guard. Cabral, forward tray. No good. Rebound by Duo. Putak by Duo, no good for the Zakara. Foul sa Bulgaria. 0-3. Foul number 03. Raymond Gordon. First personal foul, first team foul. At the line to shoot for 2 free throws is Michael Duo. Chance for KFS to cut down the lead. First one for Duo is short. 34 seconds left in the first quarter. Zero of 2 for Duo, but rebound by Malik. Malik put back, blocked by Gordon. Offensive rebound by Zayrif. Zayrif, drop pass to Malik. Put back for Wood, but there's a foul. Foul on Saldio here. Number 8, Adrian Lino. First personal foul, second team foul. Dave Malik travels to the free throw line to shoot for 2 free throws. That's the end of the first quarter. Dave Malik will shoot 2 free throws. First one is short for Dave. No good in the first try. KFS down by 9. Zero out of 2 for Dave Malik. Official score 13 for Saudi Arabia, 4 for KFS, Balikbayan Ducks. Yeah, this is the second quarter possession KFS. Second quarter possession belongs to KFS Balikbayan Ducks. KFS Balikbayan Ducks down by 9 points. Cabral to Mapili. Mapili with the ball, guarded by Tan. To Gautam. To Duo. Duo. Pass to Mapili. Mapili kicks it out to Gautam. Corner tray. Short. Rebound. Rebound. Rebound to Esguerra. Pass to Sean. San with the ball. San to Esguerra. Esguerra guarded by Mapili. Esguerra pass deflected. Recovered by Yandan. Yandan blocked by Aquino. Foul KFS. Number 7. Jason Aquino. First personal foul on Jason Aquino. First team foul. Oh, sorry, second team foul on KFS. First free throw for Yandan is no good. One out of 2 for Yandan. Giving Saudi Arabia double second lead. 10-point lead to Saudi Arabia. Gautam. Drop pass to Mapili, back to Gautam. Gautam to Trey. Too strong, rebound by Aquino. That is a foul. Foul on Saudi Arabia, number 27. Concepcion, first personal foul. First team foul on Saudi Arabia. Sideline inbound for KFS. Aquino winning on the ball to Cabral. Gautang to Cabral. Cabral. Higher than floater, short rebound by Cabral. Put back by Cabral, no good, back to the foul. Foul Salvio Care. Number 0, Yandan. First personal foul. Second team foul. Carl Cabral travels to the free throw line. First one is no good for Cabral. Second one no good. Yandan on the ball. 10-point lead by Salvio Care. Aquino, 1-1 for Mapili. Loses the ball, stolen by Mapili, but turnover for Mapili. Possession remaining with Salvio Care. 6 minutes and 49 in the second quarter. Concepcion to Sierra. Ibanez to time, let it fly. For Trey, no good for Mapili. To Gautang. Gautang. Layup. Layup is good. Josh Tan. First personal foul on Josh Tan. Third team foul on Salvio Care. Chance for Robin Gautang to cut the lead to 7 for KFS. Next sublet. Bonus free throw no good. Rebound by Yandan. Esguera. Carried by Gautang to Yandan. Yandan in trouble. Loses the ball. Gautang, Gautang, Marian is there! Here comes KFS. Time out, time out. Time out, Salvio Care. Official score, 14 for Salvio Care, 8 for KFS. Hey, let's go back to the ball game. This is the second quarter. Second quarter, week 2 between Salvio Care and KFS. Balikbayan Bucks send their Balikbayan Bucks to the Philippines. Gatdula to Chan. Stolen by Gautang. Gautang, the ball. Layan is there. Back-to-back turnovers for Salvio Care, courtesy of Gautang. Gatdula to Esguera. Esguera back to Gatdula. Gatdula to Trey. No good. Rebound by Esguera back to sa foul. Foul on KFS. Number 0, holding foul on Carl Cabral. That's 2 on Cabral. Second team foul on KFS. Baseline inbound for Salvio Care. Santos will inbound to Esguera. Esguera to Gatdula. 7 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Gatdula, sorry, Esguera will try over. Rebound Latino. Foul on Salvio Care, number 19. Mike Santos, first on Santos. Warning for penalty. Salvio Care, warning for penalty. Jason Aquino winning the ball. He Here comes KFS. 2 minutes and 57 in the second quarter. Carl to Justin Daly. Driving baseline. Blocked by Gordon. Rebound. Esguerra. Esguerra against Cabral. To Tan. Tan. Highlighting floater. Esguerra. Goal, Josh Tan. Cabral to Presto. Presto for Trey. Too strong rebound by Cabral. Cabral spin. Drop pass to Cabral. Shot for a good rebound by Cabral. Block by Esguerra. Back to the foul. Salvio Perez in the penalty. Foul number 19. Mark Santos. Second personal foul penalty. At the line is Christoph Cabral. First one for Christoph Cabral is good. Carrying the lead to 5. We're gonna draw the raffle for tonight. Second one is no good. Rebound by Aquino. 1 out of check for Cabral. Cabral grabs the basket. Turnover for KFS. Traveling violation committed by Christoph Cabral. Esguerra to Gatdula. 5-point lead for Salvio Care. 1 minute and 9 seconds. In the second quarter, Gatdula against Gautang to Mark Santos. Good defense by KFS. Santos left by Aquino. Rebound by Christoph. Gautang. Reverse line at level. Rebound by Carl. Carl. Drop pass to Gautang. Gautang slows down. That's the offense for KFS. 4-3. Gautang no good. Rebound by Christoph. To Carl. Carl, left to layup, over the game. Rebound, last touch by Salvio Care. Possession will stay with KFS. 13 to shoot. 13 on the shot clock. Direct to Presto. Left wide for Trey. No good. Rebound by Gautang. Offensive rebound is still Salvio Care. Presto, shot no good. Rebound by Direct. Put back by Direct. Here comes Salvio Care. Down by 3. Oh, sorry, but up by 3. Saan? That is a foul. Foul on KFS. Number 11. Justin Daly. That's the end of the first set. First personal foul. 13 foul. We're gonna draw the raffle for our t-shirt and bottle. Again guys, we're going to draw the raffle for the t-shirt and voucher. Those who have registered yet for the raffle, we can go to the Okay, so we're gonna draw the raffle for the t-shirt and meal voucher. Just look at the screen at the front. Number 22. So we can press again because number 22 is black. Number 34 still black. Number 36 is still black one. 39 is still black. 35. This is a player. Players not allowed to join the raffle draw. Number 27. Hill Kelly. Who is Hill Kelly? Who is Hill Kelly, please? Bill Kelly won the t-shirt. Please. No. Player not allowed to join the raffle draw. Bill Kelly. Is that a player? No. Number 6. Per Fontanilla. Per Fontanilla, please approach the table. Who is Ate Per Fontanilla? This is the wife of King Alan. Wala din? Ate Per Fontanilla? Wala? Okay, one more. Number 21. Christoph Cabral, still a player. Players are not allowed to join the raffle draw. Number 23, Angela Fuente. Angela Fuente, please come forward. Wala din. Okay, again. 46. Wala. 16. Edmund Fuente. Wala din. Number 24, who is Kate C? Kate, who is Kate? Wala din. Okay, ayaw niyo manalo. Okay. Number 3, Kier Sulisa. This is the son of Dean Sulisa, I think. Dean, nandito ka pa ba? Wala na rin, okay. Number 5, Patrick Lima. This is a player. Players are not allowed to join the raffle entry. Number 10, Albicia Balbuena. Who's Balbuena? Please approach the table for the t-shirt and beer voucher. Again. Jaden. Let's go back to the ball game. This is the third quarter. Possession. Salvio Reyes. Concepcion, Tresguera. Sorry, Yandan, Yandan, 3 points. Hal Cabral with the ball. To Dairit, pass the ball, it takes. Disavow, travel in violation given by by Malik. Malik turnover. Yandan, Tresguera. Salvio Reyes, up by 6. Yandan, Tresguera. Rebound, Duke. Michael Duke, with the ball. Hard to Mapili. Corner tray for Mapili. In and out. Rebound by Gordon. Esguera with the ball. Guarded by Mapili. Esguera looking for a teammate to Yandan. Vivares, elbow jumper, no good. Rebound by Gordon. Put back is good. Oh, Raymond Gordon. The lead is back to 8. Cabral, screen by Dairit. To Mapili. Mapili, jumper no good. Rebound Yandan. Yandan. To Estela, shot no good. Rebound by Concepcion. Concepcion, looking for a teammate. To Esguerra. 8 seconds to shoot. Yandan, elbow jumper, no good. Rebound by Carl Cabral. Next, Sabret. There's a foul. Sabret. Foul on Salvio Claire. Number 11. Divanes, first personal foul. First team foul. Direct out. Gautam in for DFS. Gordon out. Mark Santos in for Salvio Claire. 8-point lead by Salvio Claire. 7 minutes and 44 in the third quarter. Cabral, screen by Malik. To Gautam, let it fly for Trey short. Rebound by Aquino. Aquino to Gautam. Fakes, Benjamin jumper short. Rebound by Aquino to Malik. 6 seconds to shoot. Malik, 4 seconds to shoot. 1 second. Cabral, hindi ka buzzer, no good. Ball hits the brace of the backboard. Possession Salvio Claire. 7 minutes and 8 seconds in the third quarter. KFS down by 8. Divanes. Yandan to nakating Esguerra. Esguerra kicks it out to Concepcion. Corner throw. Overshoots. Rebound by Santos. Santos to Paclagun. Rebound by Carl Cabral. Cabral attacks the basket. Left in area is good. Forward by Cabral. The ladies of the 6. 6 minutes and 30 in the third quarter. Yandan in the ball. To Esguerra. Esguerra to Yandan. Yandan Sabret sub. Foul on KFS. Number 7, Jason Aquino. That's 7 on Jason Aquino. First team foul on KFS. At the line to shoot 2 free throws is Ramnik Yandan. 6-point lead by Salvio Claire. 5 minutes and 53 in the third quarter. First one is short for Yandan. Two out of 2 for Yandan. Rebound by Aquino. Mapili with the ball. Mapili to Crystal. To Carl. Carl, top of the key tray. Uses the gas. 3 points for Carl Cabral. The lead is down to Trey. Esguerra, guarded by Gautam to Concepcion. Concepcion, looking for a teammate. To Santos. Santos for Trey. Yes, sir. Mark Santos with the answer. Back to 6. The lead for Salvio Claire. Carl to Mapili. Gautam, closer is good for Gautam. Next subject. Divanes at the ball. Salvio Claire up by 4. Divanes, bounce pass is stolen by Gautam. Gautam, bringing to the basket. Area is good for Gautam. Time out, Salvio Claire. Here comes KFS. KFS only down by 2. Concepcion to Santos. Santos drop pass to Gordon. 10 seconds to shoot. Miscommunication between Gordon and Concepcion. Turnover for Salvio Pérez. Cabral to Gautang. Gautang left side to Trey. Bang! Salim belongs now to KFS. Bakuna with the answer. 3 points for Earl Bakuna. Direct to Cabral, to Takati Aquino. Aquino to Direct, overshoots him by Direct. But there's a foul. Who's foul left? Foul on black, number 7. First personal foul, second team foul, foul on Bakuna. Cabral to Carl. Carl to Gautang, back to Carl. Carl, drop pass to Aquino. Aquino, pass, stolen by Bakuna. Bakuna, then by Gautang. Jumper, no good. Rebound, Santos, put back by Santos. There's a foul. 2 points by Mark Santos. Foul on number 11. Justin Derrick, second personal foul, second team foul. Chance for Mark Santos for a triple play. Bonus free throw is good for Mark Santos. 5-point lead now for Salvio Pérez. Gautang to Cabral. Cabral. Drop pass to Cristo. Shot, no good. Rebound by Rich. What was the foul? Who's called it? Foul number 10, Josh Tan. Second personal foul on Josh Tan. Third team foul. Direct. Attacks the basket. Layup is short. Rebound by Concepcion. Shot clock is off. Tan. Drop pass to Santos. Layup no good. Rebound by Cabral. 8 seconds on the bench clock. Cabral. Left to layup is short. Rebound by Bakuna. 1 second. Bakuna. Hit the passer. No good. That's the end of the first half. Official score. 13 for Salvio Pérez, 25 for KFS. Okay, let's go back to the ball game. This is the last and final Russell Osali. Saudi University KFS balik main back. Fourth quarter possession belongs to KFS. Bristol to Gautang, fakes. Gautang with a runner. In and out. Rebound by David. Put back to good rebound by Gordon. Kay Al Gagdula. Gagdula passes the pan. Ryan is good for the stand. The lead is 7 for Saudi Arabia. Preston to Makili. Let it fly for Trey. Overshoot. Rebound by Concepcion. Turnover for Josh Mann. Turnover by counter steal by Gordon. Concepcion for three. No good. Tip by Gordon. Good back no good. Rebound. Josh Mann. Gatuna ng 2. In and out. Rebound Mapili. Mapili with the ball. Mapili to Gautang. To Preston. All along for Trey. No good. Rebound. Last touch by Saudi Arabia. Sabret. Possession will stay with Saudi Arabia. Christoph out. Carl Cabral in. Carl, corner Trey. Overshoot. Rebound by Hill. Adrian with the ball. Turnover for Saudi Arabia. Possession. KFS. Mapili with the ball. Carl. Driving baseline. To David. 14 seconds to shoot. Green by Duo. David loses the ball. Stolen by Gagdula. Gagdula. Blocked by the crowd. But there's a foul. Sabret sub. Number 11 out. Foul on number Crystal Rep. Number 0, Kyle Cabral. Third personal foul on Cabral. First team foul. David out. Malik in. Al Gagdula travels to the charity stripe to shoot for 2 free throws. First one is good for Al Gagdula. Two out of 2 for Al Gagdula. The lead is now 9 for Saudi Arabia. Gautang. Pass stolen by Justin. Tan behind the back pass by Concepcion to Gagdula. 12 seconds to shoot. Gagdula to the back. Sabret sideline inbound for Saudi Arabia. Sub foul on number 2, blocking foul on Rebound Tom. First personal foul. 17 foul. Saudi Arabia. Fresh 14 for Saudi Arabia. Concepcion, corner 3, yes sir. 3 points for Jerome Concepcion. Carl attacks the basket. Left layup, no good. Rebound by Gagdula. Forward pass to Stephen Tan. Area is right for Tan. The lead is now 14. Carl with the ball. Pass to Aquino. Aquino fakes. Shot no good, but the foul. Foul Saudi Arabia. Number 3, Raymond Gordon. Second personal foul, personal foul. First one for Aquino for Zen. Para naman sa 14.
Balik! Switch! Balik kayo!
One out of two for Aquino, rebound na Sigara. Sigara, screen by Gordon. Time with the ball. Once a shot again for Trey. Back to back three for Jerome. Once a shot. Kamil to 16. Cabral, step back two. Now good. Rebound. Sigara, but there's a foul. Foul on number 7. Jason Aquino. Third personal foul. Second team foul. Gordon to Sigara. Gordon, one-on-one with Aquino. To Tan. Gatula now with the ball. Gatula. Shot forward. Foul on KFS number 7, Jason Aquino. That's 4 on Aquino, fourth personal foul. One in. Gatula to shoot 2 people. First one for Gatula for Zen.
What time out kami after?
Pag pumasok bro, patay mo kayo. Ram, pag pumasok tayo.
Ay, wag na lang.
2 out of 2 for Gatula. We're approaching the 3 minutes mark of the fourth quarter. Malik, running back Concepcion. Malik, pass to Cabral. All alone for Trey. No good. Rebound by Malik. Malik, block pass to Aquino. Loses the ball. Rebound by Malik. Shot no good. Put back by Aquino. No good. Rebound by Gautam. To Christoph. Shot by Christoph as well. The lead is 16. 2 minutes and 37 in the last quarter. Foul on number 19, Dave Malik on KFS. Penalty, right penalty. First personal foul on Dave Malik, penalty. At the line, shooting 2 free throws is Richie Guerra, last season's MVP. First one is good for Guerra. Two out of 2 for Isgana. 2 minutes and 31 in the last quarter. Cabral, left to layup. Too strong. Rebound by Gautam. To Christoph. For Trey. Bang! 3 points for Christoph Cabral. The lead is 15. Isgana with the ball. Rounded by Cabral. Isgana. Looking for a teammate. It's good at the time. Loses the ball. Stolen by Gautam. Gautam with the ball. Last 2 minutes. Turnover by Gautam. Counter steal by Concepcion. To Gordon. Loses the ball. Stolen by Aquino. To Malik. Malik. To Carl. Carl. To Gautam. Over Trey. Short. Rebound is together. Then to Gatula, bounce pass to Tan. Trey on the floor. 17.8 for Saldivo. Carl for Trey on good rebound. Isgana. Isgana, guarded by Cabral. Isgana, spin, shot no good, rebound by Carl. Carl Cabral with the ball to the streaking Malik. Layup is good for Malik. The lead is 16. Tan with the ball. Gordon. Gordon. Shot battered by Aquino. Offensive rebound. Put back by Esguerra. It's good. There's a foul. Foul number 7. That's 5 on Aquino. Aquino is fouled out of the game. 57.8 seconds remaining in the last quarter. 3-point play. Chance for a 3-point play for Esguerra. Sabret. Sabret. Bonus paper is good for Reyes Guerra. The lead is 18. 55 remaining in the last quarter. Carl, driving baseline, layup is good. The lead is 16. Young done with the ball. To Adrian. Adrian loses the ball, stolen by Michael Duo. Carl, all alone. That's the layup is good. The lead is 14. 37.6 seconds. Santos. Shot. No good. Rebound by Duo. Michael Duo with the ball. Layup is short. Rebound is Esguerra. Shot clock is off. Esguerra to Adrian. Shot by Adrian. Layup is good. Third game is ready. Legacy assist versus Silog. That's the end of the second game. Good game guys. Salvio Care prevails over KFS Balikbayan Ducks. 5 minutes warm up for third game. Silog versus Legacy assist.